like hot dogs and pickles, then you're going to want to keep watching. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, today we are just having hot dogs and some pasta salad for dinner today, and I have been craving this recipe. I have been wanting it so bad, and I thought today is the perfect day since one, it's National Pickle Month, and two, I had all the ingredients on hand. The only thing I had to do was buy my sour cream. So, all right, so the ingredients that I have myself a little sub roll here. I'm just using this instead of a hot dog roll. I think with the ingredients that I have here, it's gonna be way better on that. I also have some chive and onion cream cheese. And then here I have a hot dog. These are Shaylin hot dogs. We get them from New York. Hubby was up there and bought like 30 pounds of them. We have them in the freezer, but you can get these at Wegmans. I have 2 thin slices of dill pickles. You can either buy them like that or just slice them yourself. And then I just have some small little pieces of Havarti dill pickle cheese. And then I have 2 slices of thick bacon. So let me turn the camera down and show you how I'm gonna put this together. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and cut down the center. You don't wanna go completely through, but you do wanna go in there. Now we're just gonna stuff it with our cheese. And this cheese you can get, I got this at Food Lion, you can get it at Aldi. Alrighty, and then I'm gonna put my pickles on the side, like one at the top and one at the bottom. I'm gonna take my, what is that called? Bacon. And then we're gonna go ahead and wrap the entire thing around, just like that. Does that look good? Smells good. Okay. There we go. Just like that, friends. And then when hubby throws the hot dogs on the grill, I'm gonna have him toss this on there for me as well. And I'll show you what that looks like. Alrighty, so we'll be back in a few. Oh, chasing the way. All right, on the grill it goes, and the rest of the hot dogs. We'll check back in a few. All right, my friends, my hot dog is almost done. So I am just going to cut. Probably should be using a different knife. Yeah, I definitely should be using a different knife. Not cutting all the way through, I'm just kind of cutting out the center there. Watch my thumbs, because y'all know I can be dangerous in the kitchen. And I'm just taking this out, just like that. I'll eat that, or actually I think my son will probably eat it. I'll put it over there for him. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take my chive and onion. If you can find the dill pickle in, that would be awesome too. I couldn't find it at my store, so take a little bit more out, and then I'm just gonna spread in some of that. Just like that. Use as much or as little as you want. There we have it. And then as soon as hubby brings in my hot dog, we'll go ahead and plate it up and do a taste test. All right, my friends, all done. There it is. Does that look delicious or what? Let's go ahead, put it on our roll and give it a taste test. All right, here it is. Does that look delicious or what? Let's do a quick taste test. That cream cheese. My son's going, Love it, love it, love it. All right, my friends, so that'll do it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. Also, check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. Friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.